Good afternoon, everyone. So this is our first video to ever make for YouTube, so be patient. So this is what we're starting off with for those of you who want some ideas on how to decorate your front door. We started decorating our front door with this garland about 2 years ago, and just as the years have gone by, every time we take down our fall and Christmas decor, it just looks so sad and empty. So today we are going to be decorating for summer/4th of July. And apparently Jigsaw wants in on the action, so enjoy seeing the cat. So you'll see here that we've got some garland around our door. That we actually purchased this off of Amazon. It's a pre-lit garland. I actually bought two and then kind of tied them together. My husband actually put in some screws around the door, and all we did was just wrap the little branches around those screws. You don't want to put any screws into your brick. I've heard some people using those, I guess, like adhesive hooks. I'm not sure how well it'll hold up. I've never used them before. So if you have any other ideas on how to anchor garland around your door, please share with the class. All right, next we're going to put some garland on our garland. Now, if you don't have a pre-lit garland and you want to put lights on it, do that first. Then the next step is we just kind of layer it with another festive garland. All right, there's the finished product. So we actually got this garland at Hobby Lobby because right now it's 40% off all of their July 4th stuff. What Katherine did was she kind of just secured it all by tying the actual garland branches around it, but you can also use pipe cleaners. We usually get like the green pipe cleaners, or you can even get the pipe cleaners that look like kind of like that Christmas tree. And so here it is. Okay, earlier we made the bows, and here they are. So we're just going to tie those in. Katherine's got those pipe cleaners, and she's going to tie them in. We're going to do 3 at the top and what, 2 at the bottom, or 1 on each side? Yes. So there you go, garland and the bows. Next up is now we've got some of our bigger pieces that we're going to kind of put up at the top. Again, I think the ones that she's holding up right now were from Hobby Lobby, and the little firework looking ones are from a floral place here in Houston, Arcadia. So we're going to kind of throw those up at the top. Okay, so we put some of the bigger pieces in, and since they had those long stems, she's securing it from the back by also wrapping one of the little branches on the stem. So we're going to keep adding. Here we go with some more decorations, and you will see that some of them switch the hands. Some of these that have several stems on it, just be sure you fluff it out before you put it in, or if you want, you can just shove them in there and then fluff them out later into your garland. to add in. We got some of our bells that we're going to hang up at the top. This is all of the garland with everything put in. All you got to do basically is just fill in all of the empty spots. There you go.